So guys, the new string Boolean method that we are looking at is upper. We have seen in a previous video what do you mean by is lower. Now is upper is exactly opposite of is lower. Yeah, it is basically used to determine whether all the case based characters, all the characters within the string, yeah, are in uppercase or not. Yeah, the case characters are the ones having general category property being one of letter lowercase or letter uppercase or letter with title case. Yeah. Now uppercase is defined as the letters that are written or printed in the large form or the uppercase. Yeah. For instance, the uppercase in a given word. If you see, I have an example. Let's see the syntax first. We'll get into an example later, but we'll first see the syntax, how it looks like, how the syntax looks like for upper. So the syntax is the string that we need to check. Dot upper is upper, yeah, and parenthesis, yeah. So it returns true and false, as I said earlier. Let's see some example. So suppose I have, let's use the same examples that we used for lower so that you understand what is happening. So I am checking this string, yeah, or special characters in the string. This function will give you the output as false. So if I have is upper, if I'm checking for, yes, let's see what happens if I have all the characters, but let me make it capital. I can analyze. Let it be like this. We'll check in some other example. Yeah, so it gives me false because there are some characters which are small. There are some characters which are special character. Yeah. So this is there is no uh, consistency in the string wherein all the characters are of upper characters. Yeah. So let's move on to the next example that we had for lower. In case all characters are lowercase, so in uppercase, let's see if all characters are uppercase. Let's use this example for to make it uppercase. So all characters are uppercase. So let me make it uppercase. Eyes can analyze. Yes. So I'm making all the characters uppercase. Let me change the function or the method, and I'm checking whether it is an uppercase. Yes. Let's run this function, a method. See, it is giving me the output as true because all the characters within the particular string are all in upper letters or upper cases. Yeah. Let me have some other example rather than taking the same example. Yeah. Suppose if all the characters in the string is in lowercase, if I try to put all the characters in the string as lowercase, so what will happen? So if I try to put the same thing, and this time it's all lowercase, yeah. Now let me put Upper. I am checking whether it is an uppercase. Yes. Suppose this is it. Let me run this. So it gives me the output as false. Yeah. Even though if I try to have some special characters as well in this. So lowercase and special characters. So if I try to add some uh, underscore in between the words and try to have some period and exclamation within the string, it will still give me the output as false. Yeah, because the cased characters which are available in this particular string are all lowercase. Yeah. Let me show how. Let me show you how this could be used in a program. Yeah. Suppose I have a string. So let me write a program uh, to give you more idea. So I have this string equals to uh, uh, sample program. Yeah. So I have a string which says I can analyze features simple. I may have some bigger upper characters. Yeah. Simple way of learning Python. Learning Python. So I'll make the Python as well in yeah. Let me not try it. Let us go through each of the string one by one. So if you remember, we had a function called split, which separates each. So I'll separate characters. So is equal to string dot. Do you remember how to split? Split. Yes. So let me first split and I'll say print. I'll show you what happens. Yeah. When I try to split this, it will split each of the word in this particular string. Yes. Now what I want is I want to check whether that particular string has upper letters or not. So it will, I in set characters, which is my string, which is storing the word, it is checking each character, yeah, and printing out whether it is printing out the number of count in each string. So what happens is whenever it encounters a upper character, it will not print, it will count the number of upper characters. Plus one, I'll initialize count here. If you want to check on how to put a loop, for loop, use a for loop, you can use my, you can check on my previous videos, which gives detailed explanation on what is or how to use loop, for loops, while loops. Yeah. So what I'm doing right now here is I am initializing a string. Yeah. I'm splitting the string into various words. Yeah. Now I'm initializing a count so that I can count how many uppercase characters are available in the string. Now I'm looping through each word in this particular list, yeah, which has happened because of the split, and it is checking for each characters, and it is ultimately printing me the number of uppercase characters in the string. So the number of uppercase words in the string is, it will give me the count. See this? So there are two uppercase words. So simple is one word, Python is second word. So it checks for this. If I show you what is available in this, I need to print. Okay. Print. So it is going through each word in this particular list and checking which one is in uppercase. Yeah. So there are only two words. So suppose if I try to change something, I'll change off to upper. Now let's see, it will make the count to 3. Yeah. Because there are 3 words in this sentence which are in upper cases. So that is simple, off, and Python. So this is how we use programming ways to do data cleaning or try to find out find out some analysis out of the string. When you're trying to find out, probably you could use it when you are doing sentiment analysis or text analysis. That is where you can use this particular methods where you're checking whether a character is in a particular format that you want it to be. Yeah. Suppose I have numbers in my string. So suppose I have numbers in my string. So let me have this, and I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have some special characters as well. Sure. Yeah. In case all characters are lowercase, and I have numbers and special characters within the string. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it gives me some output. Yeah, it is giving me false. Yeah. So it is not considering any of the numbers or special characters, yeah, for uppercases. Yeah. I hope you understood how isupper is used. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, comment if you have any views or additions on this videos. If you want to change anything, or if you have any comments on this videos, do get back to us. Do subscribe to my channel as well, in order to get such insightful videos at your inbox automatically. Yeah. Thank you so much.